Last week, the AC in the church has been broken. That's why we're out here now. Now it is hot inside, and outside it is cold. What can we do? We need to come together and fix that AC. It is hot in the
But
church.
Daddy, mine's not hot.
Who said that?
I, sir.
Get up. It is your mother that is not hot. Yes, you, that your mother cannot sing and she wants to join the choir. She is not hot. Bastard child. Get out of my church. Get out. Now. Idiot. Get out. Sorry, church. Let's go back. Now, we want to collect special offering. Let's call on Brother Michael to come lead us in special song and to collect the offering. Let's go.